CRC Worldviews and News, important news about Christians worldwide. Today is the 26th of June 2025. President Donald Trump had announced a ceasefire between Iran and Israel, but shortly after agreeing to the ceasefire, Iran launched missiles at Israel. Then Israel also fired missiles in retaliation. President Trump expressed deep disappointment over the violation of the ceasefire by both sides. Court Rovenstein said that adapting Christian holy texts to Chinese culture and social values is a serious violation of religious freedom. Now foreign missionaries have also been banned in China, and the violations of which rights have also stopped being identified. Arabic is spoken in Lebanon, and it is difficult to spread Christianity there. Making Christian texts available in Arabic and reaching people is a deadly act. Dan says that despite severe threats, they are taking the word of God to people in their language. Mortaza said that Iran has strict restrictions on Christians, and is arresting citizens who post pictures or videos on social media. They have taken the oppression to the extreme by declaring Christians a threat to national security and violating their rights. In recent attacks in Nigeria, more than 200 people have been killed and 6,000 displaced, with Fulani militants targeting mostly Christian villages. The United Nations has condemned the attacks and called for protection, justice and rehabilitation for the victims. The article urges readers to pray for the affected Christians and sign a petition. In Kyrgyzstan, Christians are facing difficulties due to strict religious laws, restricting the conditions for the propagation of Christianity and church registration. Aileen says she also faces social pressure, and has had problems burying her father in a cemetery. In Congo, the Allied Democratic Forces are attacking Christians, fabricating a case that their house was burned down, their brother burned to death, their villagers have been displaced, their homes are being occupied, and they are living in shelters. In Mozambique, Christians are facing serious problems from Islamic extremist groups, especially in the northern regions. These groups are burning churches, kidnapping priests, and killing people. In addition, there have been reports of Christian girls being kidnapped and forced to marry Muslim men. In Mali, Christians are facing serious persecution from Islamic extremist groups. Ibrahim Isis said that Christians are being charged a tax, which they are unable to pay. Due to the government's weakness and poor security situation, these groups are becoming more active. In Kenya, Christians are facing serious threats from extremist Islamic groups such as Al-Shabaab, which is affiliated with Al-Qaida. Gangs are attacking churches and killing Christians. We are being weakened by discrimination on religious grounds, Maria said. Stay with us for more news. If you want to watch more such videos and you liked our video, then subscribe to our channel. A reliable source of information. Stay connected with CRC News.